A group of persons, say 4 persons, are being driven in a taxi. There is a police roadblock down the road. A man with a firearm is sitting on one side, a woman in the middle, and another man at the end. The man with the firearm drops the gun in the handbag of the woman sitting next to him. She's in possession. She's in possession. So there are circumstances. There are circumstances where you ask yourself, is such a person the kind of criminal that you want to teach a lesson? Is such a kind of person the criminal who you want to deter? Well, think on these things. You are adamant that that is what you want. And you are adamant that this legislation will add significantly to your fight against crime. If when hanging was around, it was a deterrent to anybody, we wouldn't have any murder. Can you imagine that before somebody is going to commit a crime, they are going to say, oh, I can't do this. If I do it, I'm going to be hanged. Therefore, let me not do that. If that was the approach and that deterrent effect was by legislation, we would not be here today, because we have always had strong laws against gun crimes. As Senator Lambert Brown said, it was a People's National Party government who passed the Suppression of Crimes Act. It was a People's National Party government who passed the Gun Court Act, and we have learned, we repealed the Suppression of Crimes Act because we know that repressive and oppressive actions against the unfortunate in this society who we have failed does not work. Because we have failed the young people of this country and abandoned them to having criminality as their main option. But we have enough blame to go around on both sides. We have enough blame to go around on both sides. And the time has come. We are in a desperate situation where we have to come together to see how we can resolve it.